Yeah. I'm not gonna get all that close, just a little close. Yeah. Oh my God. Yo, can anyone tell me what kind of bird this is? I have never seen. Is this a pigeon or what is this? Holy shit. Look at this. What kind of bird is this? Ooh. Wow. This is the creepiest looking bird I've ever seen. What kind of animal is this? Yo. Seriously, what kind of animal? This is not a pigeon, yo. That's two tails. Wow. And it's blinking. There's a whole bunch of weird things around it. Seriously, what kind of animal is this? If y'all know, please tell me, because I've never seen an animal like this before in my life in New York. I'm afraid to get closer. Like, this thing looks crazy. I don't know if it's gonna flip out on me or what, but this is the scariest looking bird I've ever seen in my life. And it's only standing on one leg. It's on one. It's on one leg. It's standing on one leg. Like, I don't know. It has only one leg. I don't. Yeah, I don't want to get too. Oh yeah. Yeah. I think it's a sick pigeon, maybe. That's not a pigeon, right? Yeah. It only has one leg. What the fuck? And it's, you see its tail? Like, yo, this is the creep. Oh my God, me and one other person are here. Wow. You work around here? Oh, you okay? I was gonna ask. Like, I work around here. I've never seen this. Never in my life have I seen this before. Oh my God, one leg. Wow. All right, I gotta get one more up close look in his face. Oh my God. This is not a pigeon. Please tell me what the hell this is. Oh my, look, that's two tails. And it's only standing on one leg. Yo, help me figure out what this is, y'all.